It's bad to the bone. Y'all know how we get. This video is going to be pretty intense. Bad to the bone. In fact, the whole series, very intense. Buckle in. That's my advice. The shit
It's going down.
fuck around and find out. Biatch. Go ahead. Have a seat. But just
Don't know.
for real.
You can see the vehicle is an absolute mess. But y'all know how we do it. We're down with this kind of shit,
As I'm sure you all know, Nitro is not for the faint of heart. You simply
Can't fake the funk.
Every day I try to learn something. I have to say, based on what I've learned,
come see what it's like.
In the belly of the beast.
It can be maddening.
so knowing what I know now,
This shit is fucked up.
Yeah, I can see here this shit's gonna be kinda involved, but fuck it. That's why we do this hobby. We like challenges. We're not in this to just go out and, have it easy. We want to have a sense of achievement when we're done with this shit.
I'm special.
So, here we go. Let's get cracking on these gifts.
Crackety crap. Biatch.
To hell what they tell you on these forums about differentials. This is what a set of differentials with well over 10 gallons on them looks like.
Maintain them properly.
Look at these little fakesters and charlatans.
I give them a little thrill.
I rebuilt all 12 of those differentials.
These include Spider, Torsen, and Standard.
I cleaned up all opinions. Got everything meshed. You know? Smooth. Next, we have drive shafts, CVAs, and universals.
Let's kick that funky shit.
For now, I'm not using the titanium ones. Those are for special occasions. As is that spider diff. Additionally, I've decided to use the dual fiberglass brake discs. I also have the steel quad disc. Of course, I'll get much more into that in part 2. Because right now, we're just kicking you some of that old bullshit. Ya know. For you hardcores, here's gold. I checked every barrel. Because if one barrel is out, well, then you might as well have 10 of them out. The vehicle is either smooth or it is not smooth. Ain't no in between. That's right.
Fuck 'em all.
Gold, I said.
Gold. Real gold.
Straight gold.
Real gold.
Real gold. This is a real ass series. Part 2 is coming
Real soon. Real soon.
real soon. You'll love it. Here's a sneak peek. Check it out.
This is a prime opportunity for me to go through and look at some of the subtle things with respect to the hubs, the carriers, setting the caster, things such as this.
I cleaned him. Real shit.
First of all, this is PFN genre music. Second of all, this is what happens when you get your Hyper 7
To slap. slap.
This is a Tamiya 801 XT. You power noobs will never know.
It can really dance. It's bad.
To the bone.
I guess the term that comes to mind is what the kids used to say. Shit, what is it?
Can really move you.
Right, that's it. So as I go through and do my pre-run shakedown, I'm going to show you something here that is minute as you will probably ever see in this hobby, yet it's causing the toe to be extremely tweaked. This is some of that gold that I know you all love so much. All this, and we are
Ass deep into the engines.
I pulled the front bearing today. It had well over 10 gallons on it. The bearing was as good as new. Maintenance, y'all.
Real shit. Real shit. Real shit. Real shit. Real shit.